Today my topic is Foundry tools and equipments. First, I am telling you about a foundry. So foundry is place where the casting to be produced. In this process, the metal is heated in a different type of the melting equipments. The molten metal pour into the cavity or the mold. So after the solidification, the metal is carrying out in the form of this component. This process is called the casting. So in this process, the different type of the tools and equipments are used to perform the casting. Number one is the hand tools. Hand tools number one is the shovels. Shovel is consist of the two parts. The first number is this is the pen. It is consist of the steel and this the handle wooden handle is fitted with the pen. The the shovels are used for mixing the sand and carrying the sand from one place to another place in the foundry shop. Second number is rider. So rider it is made of a wood and steel. The rider is specified about diameter and the mesh number. So the rider are used for the cleaning the sand. Cleaning the sand. The rider as per the American foundries standard. The rider are used. अगर 12 number, the 6, 12, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, to up to the 270 numbers, mesh number are used to cleaning the sand. So third number is different type of the rammers are used to packing or ramming the sand in a molding box for the casting process. In a casting process, the hand rammers, floor hammers, pin hammers, and pneumatic hammers are used to ramming or packing the sand in a molding box. Number 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 four is vent wire. The vent wire is consist of a steel. So one end is needle and second portion of the vent wire is fitted with a handle. The vent wire are used for escaping the hot air. The hot air produced from the molten metal. The uh, fifth number is lifter. When the pattern is carrying out from a mold or cavity, some sand are dropped into the mold. So how to carrying out? The sand is removed. The sand is carrying out with the help of a lifter. The lifter is made in the form of it is made of a steel and one end of this bent at 90 degree and also used for the different type of the blowers are used to cleaning the inner portion of the mold. So, Fifth number is trowels. Different type of the trowels are available in the market. Rectangular shape, pen shape, and round or triangular shape. It is used for repairing the and finishing the surface of the mold and also repairing the edge of the mold. Sixth number is dowel spins. So dowel screw. So when the pattern this is a pattern uh, when the pattern is set in a molding box. So how to carrying out? The draw screw are used to carrying the pattern from the molding box. Different type of the gaggles. The gaggles is just like a reinforcement used to holding the molding box. This is the molding box. This is the upper portion is called the cup. Bottom portion is the drag. So when are used to combine to each other, combine to each other during the molding. So the different type of the gaggles are used. The gaggles are available in the market in 125 mm to 600 mm length are available in the market. Are available in market. And bulb swab and simple swab are used to moisturizing the surface and cleaning the surface of the mold. Cleaning the surface of the mold. And different type of the wooden hammers, mallet hammers are used to carrying the pattern from the cavity and also used for the wrapping purpose. Different type of the handle tools are used in a molding in a foundry shop. Second number is molding box. So different type of this type of the molding box are used. This is a box type flex. This is a snap type flex. These are the molding box. The molding box are used to molding the different type of the casting pattern. These mold box are used. The mold box are used as a wood and as a steel. The wood molding box are used not for a mass production. And this type of the steel metals box are used for the mass production, because in this process the adhesiveness force is not provided here. The adhesive force is not withstand the with the by the use of the wooden again and again in the contact of the sand. So the metal molding box are used for the mass production. Fourth number is melting equipment. This is the molding machine. So molding machine. So when the metal, this is a molding box, is packed with the different type of this molding sand to making the casting. So this is the by the use of the handling use. Okay, so we are not getting the mass production. So we are use the molding machine to make the mass production. Different type of the molding machine are available here. This is the jolting machine, or this is the squeezing machine, or this is the sand cylinder. So first number is this is the jolting machine. The jolting machine is running. The jolting machine consists of the cylinder and piston. So it is operated by the air. The air is entry from the bottom side. The piston and cylinder is moved upward direction. So upward direction. Suddenly the air is released here. The molding box is down. The molding is down. So the releasing again. The molding box is down. Molding box is down again and again at the height of 80 to 100 mm. 80 to 100 mm. This is a jolting machine. This is the upper portion. This is the machine. The machine is operated by the air. This is the core box is down again and again. So again at the 80 to 100 mm at the height of to set the sand in this cavity. To set in the cavity at the 500 kg force. At the 500 kg force, due to the 500 kg force apply here. So the sand is settled or packed in the molding box. In the molding box. Second number is squeezing. The squeezing in this process, the molding box is not drop. The molding box is not drop again. The metal is the sand is packed with the help of the air cylinder. This is a plate. The plate is touch and press the cylinder. So the sand is packed in the core box to make the mass production. Third number is sand cylinder. The sand cylinder, the sand is carrying with the help of a conveyor and drop into the this housing with the help of a hooper. The impeller is rotating with the help of a motor at the speed of 1200 to 1800 rpm. 1800 rpm. The metal is dropped. In the core box at a 500 kg to pack this molding box. So these machines are used for the mass production. So after packing the mold, after packing the core box with the different type of the sand are used to make the mold. This is a silicon sand. This is a clay. This is a bentonite binder. So this is a bentonite. So if you want to make the green sand, you use the silica sand 80%, clay 10 to 15%, water 8 to 10%, bentonite binder 10 to 15%, and other material just a wooden dust or sugar cane dust, so 1.5 to 2% are used to make this green sand. The green sand are used. This is you can see again. This is silica sand. This is a clay sand. This is the bentonite binder are used to making the molding sand. So this you can see this figure. This is a green sand. This is a parting sand. This is a silica sand. So the metal is heated. What type of the sand are used? The sands are used in the shape of the sand are available in a nature round angular, subangular, and compound. The round sand. This is a round sand are very complicated to use with a strength and high strength to packing the high strength. So this is the round sand are used for the molding box. The angular is also used, but is not very high strength. Sub compound is very small particle. So there are so very chance to escape the gas. There are so many problems are created by the use of the compound sand. So these are the snakes. The clay. This is the clay. So the clay are available in the market in the form of this 0.1 to 1 mm micron. 0.1. The silica sand are size of the silica sand is 20 micron. Silica sand is the micron, 20 micron. The metal are heated. The metal are heated for the puring the cavity. The metal are heated in a different type of these are the melting equipment. Melting equipment are used just like a cupola, open heart furnace, indexing, electric indexing machine, and indexing and crucible. The cupola in a cupola 1650 100 degrees Celsius temperature can be obtained by the cupola furnace, or indexing by the 1750 degrees Celsius temperature can be maintained by the induction furnace, or crucible 1700 degree Celsius temperature. So in a cupola, indexing open or furnace, the ferrous metal are used. In this ferrous metal are used. The crucible, non-ferrous metal are used. Non-ferrous metal are used means aluminium, nickel or zinc, lead. These non-ferrous metal are used in a crucible furnace. This is a crucible furnace. The outer body is made by the steel. This is a refractory material. The refractory material will contain the graphite, clay, and silicon carbide. This is a crucible. The crucible here, the metal is heated in a crucible and carrying out the metal pure into the cavity to make the casting. The non-ferrous metal are used in a crucible, and cupola, indexing, or open furnace are used for the ferrous metal. So how to judge the metal is ready for the puring? How to judge the metal is ready for the puring? So you can see the upper level of the metal. This is a spiral form. The spiral form is produced at the surface of the metal, the spiral form. So it means that the metal is ready. So again, you can see this is the metal is heated. The metal is heated, and the metal is heated. The heat by the heating. Here is metal temperature. The metal temperature is 1750 degrees Celsius. So how to judge the metal is ready? The metal is again heated. The metal is again heated up to the 1800 degrees Celsius. So it means that to make the spiral at the surface and layer on the surface of this metal. So it means that you can judge the metal is ready. The layer is called the fluidity. The metal is called the spiral is called the fluidity. Fluidity means the metal is ready at this temperature to puring the metal in a puring metal. So how to the metal is ready? How to carrying out the metal from the molding box? Different type of the equipments are used to carrying the metals. Number one is there's a hand ladder. The hand ladder are used to carrying the metal up to the 15 kg metals can be carried by the hand ladder. Second number is bull type ladder. Bull type ladder, two men are used to carrying the metal up to the 50 kg metals can be carried in a one time. The hand rammers. Second number is the crane or monorail are used to ladder. So before pouring the metal in the ladder, so what will the temperature of the ladder? The temperature of the ladder will be the approximately half of the melting point of the metal, because half of the melting point to maintain the mechanical properties. And also teapot ladders and bottom top ladders are used to puring the metals from metals. So different type of the tools and different type of the machine and different type of the melting equipments are used to make the Foundries are play a very important role in industries, automobile industries, machine industry, to making a different type of the machinery parts, different type of the housing, different type of the gears, and also different type of the machine parts. So I hope that you will like my lecture. Thank you very much.